Hello, everyone. I want to welcome you to West Georgia Technical College summer semester 2020. Um, Want to take this opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Mr. Garcia, and I will be teaching your CISM 2201 class. I wanted to take this time and to kind of answer some questions and step through and kind of maybe help you out to get started for this class. Again, this is the CISM 2201 Foundation for Computer Applications. The CRN is 60116. I want to click on the link. So you should, let me back up just a minute. Again, when you log into Blackboard, you should see all of your courses for the classes that you're taking at West Georgia Technical College. Again, I want you to locate the Foundation for Computer Application online class. Of course, you should be there if you're getting this video. I want to switch over so you guys don't see what I'm seeing. Hold on a second. Let me click back here. All right. I want to take the opportunity to go through the course and help you out with a couple things, show you the syllabus, and just allow you to just to give you a little help and get started for the semester. Again, this is the main page for the course. And again, I'll post announcements throughout the semester. This is a shorter semester. It's an 8-week semester compared to a 15-week. So this summer semester, I hope everyone is kind of going to be moving along with your assignments and stuff. So again, I'm going to try to keep everybody on track, keep everybody updated, and hopefully you stay on track for this course. So again, I've posted some stuff already in the announcements section. If you'll notice, there is a Cisco WebEx meeting. This is optional. You don't have to do it every week, but this is just for questions for if you guys are having any issues with the assignments or a particular part on the assignments. This is just to offer you some help to be able to help you through getting through some of these assignments that we're doing. So this is it's kind of like, it's similar to Zoom. Unfortunately, I cannot use Zoom at West Georgia Tech, so due to security issues, but this is just another method which I've used Cisco WebEx for a long time for different other applications and stuff. So it's similar. Again, it's just a little different, but this is what we'll use for remote sessions. For if you have questions and I need to help you answer a question or give you some help on an assignment. So again, that's just a link, and you'll see this in a little bit because I'll click on the announcements section. But then there's a course lesson plan for this class. So. But we'll look at those in just a minute. So let's get started. Here are a bunch of links for the class announcements and Student Center. So if you locate the syllabus link, I want you to click on the syllabus, and we're going to go through the syllabus. Before I click on the syllabus and go through it, just an FYI, this here is the course agreement form, and you really need to do this before you get started on any of your assignments. You have to, because if not, then your assignments will not show up under your lesson tab. So please make sure you do the course agreement form. So we'll go through. If you're seeing this video, we're going through the syllabus, so you kind of already have gone through it. So you can go ahead and do your course agreement form. So I'm going to click on the syllabus. Let's go through this. This class is the CISM 2201. The CRN is 60116. This is an online class. Your credit hours are 3, contact 5, and all this other stuff that you'll just be aware that these are the hours that you're getting for the course. Communications for me is going to be best through email. Here's my communications information. Chris Garcia. Here's my email address, chris.garcia@westgatech.edu. This is going to be the best method of getting in contact with me. It's going to be the emailing me is chris.garcia@westgatech.edu, or I have provided my work email And this is going to be the fastest if you need me, but I prefer you emailing me at the westgatech.edu email. But if you need to get in touch with me quickly, then this comes to me quicker. I check this throughout the day. I'm not as don't check it as much, but I do check this one regularly. So here's the description of the course. Moving on to this is going to be your books that you need for the course, and the thing about this course that has changed so much and over the last few years is you actually you cannot get a book copy anymore unless you actually order it from Cengage. This book is all online through Cengage, and here is the ISBN number for the book. You will need and are required to do the Cengage Unlimited, and you can get the bundle with the ISBN bundle with. Here's the ISBN number. I said ISBN twice. Cengage Unlimited is going to be what you'll need for this class to get the book, because it is online. You can choose to purchase it through Cengage Unlimited, and I'll be honest with you, that's probably the best option you can do is purchasing this directly through Cengage, because you can put in the ISBN number through Cengage and be able to locate these books. Here are the options for Cengage Unlimited. You can do the $119 for $99, or here's the Cengage Unlimited costs $119.99 for 4 months, or you can do the 12 months, or you can do the 24 months. It's totally up to you. The class is only 2 months. If you're not going to use the Cengage again, you can probably get by with just doing this one, but some of your other classes more than likely will use Cengage, and so you may want to do the 12-month or even the 24-month if you just started classes at West Georgia Tech. So this is your option of getting it. You can get the book once you get signed up for Cengage, and I cannot remember how much it is, but it is a paperback book that they send you, and you have to send it back to them at the end of the semester. So I have had some students do that in the past that have gotten the book, but I've kind of gotten used to the online book for this class. So it's going to be your best option for the 4 months. But again, if you planning on taking more classes, then you may want to consider these two options, because you'll have to use Cengage and again have to pay for it again. So it's whatever benefits you. Just kind of want to look out for you as a student. These books are expensive, but this may be an option. So it is a digital service, kind of like Netflix or Apple Music. It's kind of like what they're saying here. So you do have an ebook that's part of it. So the one thing that I've had in the past that students struggle with is using this. So when you get Cengage set up and you get it online, set up and working, what you can do is come here and copy and paste these ISBN numbers in Cengage Unlimited to add the book. You'll need both of these books, and so you can add these to the Cengage Unlimited. You may even want to try this, but when you add those into Cengage, and unfortunately I can't show you because I don't have access to the Cengage Unlimited. I already have access to the Cengage information, and I just don't have the tools available for me to go in and show you how to set it up. So that's one thing that not being able to be in class and show you, it's a little harder to kind of step you through it. So, but again, when you sign into the Cengage Unlimited, you can copy and paste these ISBN numbers and add those books and add that stuff for this class. So you will need this book here, the Technologies for Success, and then you'll need this one in addition to this book, and then you'll also need access to SAM. The SAM is where most of your assignments will be completed, and you'll be required to submit those in the software that we use, which is called SAM. So I'll do another separate video for SAM. It'll probably be next week sometime, because yes, it is a little complicated. Yes, it can be confusing. So I'll do a separate video for SAM and getting you set up into SAM. All right. Just some other information here. Just kind of go through the syllabus, take a look at it. Student learning outcomes is really important. I will take attendance, but since you're online, I'll just make sure that you're logging in and being able, if I see that you've logged in successfully, then I'll do the attendance for the week. I'll do it closer to the end of the week. Please make sure that all your assignments are turned in at the end of the week at 11:30 on Sunday nights. Please make sure, and especially since this is a short semester, you'll need to turn in these assignments by, just please make sure you turn them in on Sunday nights, because if you get behind with the short of semester it is, you'll get behind, and that's going to be crucial for you passing these classes to being able to stay caught up in here. So please make sure that you get them turned in by the end of the week on Sunday nights at 11:30, and it gives me time to grade them. Here's just the rubric for the class, the course weight. Exams is 40%. Please pay attention to that. Exams are 40%. There will be exams in here, and you'll be required to complete them. Please make sure you complete the exams. Assignments are 30, discussions 10, and then the final is 20%. And again, it's not going to be proctored, so you're good there. Here is the course plan. Let's kind of go through this for a few minutes and just kind of show you what's expected for the class and what you'll be completing for the assignments. But mainly I want to get you to just take a look at the first week. Again, this is kind of 2 weeks crammed into one in order to complete this semester. So again, you'll review the syllabus we just did. You'll do the course agreement form. The first part is going to be the Technology for Success, Computer Concepts, Module 1. You'll find that in the book. What you'll do is complete those and just kind of read through the chapters, but you'll do the complete review questions at the end of the ebook. That when you get set up and you get signed into it in Cengage, you'll go through those module 1 and do the questions. And what you'll do, just do those questions in a Microsoft Word document, and you'll go over to lessons, and you'll submit that into the lessons folder. But again, this is just the course lesson plan. So let me take you over to the lessons to show you where to submit those. Again, if you don't complete the course agreement form, you won't be able to complete any of the assignments. So if you'll go in, complete the course agreement form, click begin, click agree, just agree to all those. You've gone through them. And save and submit. So once you complete those, you're done with the course agreement form, so your lessons folder will show up. All right. So a couple things that you'll need to begin. This is just information for SAM, student data files, presentation, getting trouble, and if you're having trouble getting into SAM, and getting started with SAM. So we'll talk about SAM. We're not going to be doing SAM in the next 2 weeks, so you're not going to be covering it, so I'm not going to worry just yet about SAM. That's why I'm going to wait to do the video on SAM. The course, the first one that you'll be doing, again, I said you'll do Module 1 and Module 2. So those are found in the ebook through the Cengage Unlimited for the class. So you should see your lessons folder pop up. Um, as I stated earlier, you'll need for this week to complete modules 1 and 2, and also the discussion 1, and there's an introduction discussion for this class. So you'll need to do those and have those completed this week. So should be pretty simple. Should be pretty easy. So I think I stated earlier about doing the module 1 and 2 in a Microsoft Word document. There's actually a review module for you be able to do those questions in Blackboard already, so I misspoke on that. So there's a set of questions or a question bank already set up. So if you'll complete those review questions here, and then you can do those in Module 2 as well, and then you for next week you'll move on to Module 3. But just make sure you'll do your discussion, and then discussion 1, your introduction discussion, and you'll be done for the week. So just please make sure you complete those this week for the class. Should be pretty simple. Again, I'll do something on SAM coming up. Won't go there just yet and confuse you with SAM, because SAM is a little confusing. But hopefully everyone will have your books purchased, your stuff set up, so you can go ahead and start working in this class. Again, if you have any questions, please reach out to me through email so I can answer those questions. I spoke earlier about the announcements. If you click here, there's some stuff already set up out here, but this is the WebEx session. I think I spoke on this earlier. You can click the link, and this is similar to Zoom if you use Zoom. A couple of things. I have this set up for next week to do on a Monday if you need help. I think I got it from 6:30 to 7, and it's optional. However, my wife is expecting, and I may not be available on that Monday, so I will just kind of keep my email open. And if you have any questions, just please reach out to me in email, and then hopefully I can get with everyone, and we can do a meeting if you need to do a meeting through the WebEx. I've posted the course lesson plan, not just in the syllabus, but it's also in the announcements. If you just have questions on what we're doing, kind of the assignments that you're going to be doing for the semester. So again, 8 weeks compared to a 15-week semester. So it's a pretty short semester. So that's why it's really important that you stay caught up into this class. Again, thank you for taking the class. Hope everyone sit back and enjoy the class, learn something, and I'll be available for questions if you need me. Thanks.